Grup Fundació Ramon Noguera is an organization composed of 4 non-profit social initiative entities, whose purpose is the creation and management of services directed at people with intellectual disabilities and children who have difficulties in their development in the region of Girona. Our mission is to work to guarantee the rights of people with intellectual disabilities, to improve their quality of life, in order to contribute to the creation of a more supportive and inclusive society. Our organization is structured in 2 main areas of activity. On the one hand, the area of personalized care and support services. It comprises early intervention, daycare and residential care services, as well as several programs such as sports and leisure for families. On the other, the area of labor inclusion services, with a comprehensive orientation and employment service to support the person at work, both in the special employment centers and in the ordinary companies. The objective is guide, train, accompany, and occupy people with intellectual disabilities. In this area, we manage several entrepreneurial activities. Pepita Peric is the General Manager of Grup Fundació Ramon Noguera. She is motivated to participate in this discussion group. She would like to exchange views, support models, ideas, ways of working, and discussing the current problems and challenges of the disability sector.